Welcome back to Let's Build an Online Course. My name is Veena Prashant, and this module is all about gamification. There are so many different ways in which you can add simple gaming elements to your content, to your courses, to your products and services to reward your active and engaged members, to get them to take your desired action, to recognize your top performers. Last year, I was invited to speak at the Podcast Movement event in Florida, and the topic of my presentation was gamification. I did a lot of research on this topic, and based on what I learned, I created and released a plugin called Game of Points. This plugin will allow you to quickly and easily convert any WordPress website into a gamified site. It's a plugin made for dApp. dApp is a membership plugin for WordPress. You can use this plugin to convert one of your products or one of your courses into a gamified product or a gamified course, or you can use it to convert your entire membership website into a rewards-based membership site. We have just released a new version of Game of Points that will allow you to give points to your users when they complete lessons in your dApp course, when they complete the course. In fact, this course, Let's Build an Online Course, is a gamified course. What I have done is, under the Course Points tab in dApp, under Courses, I have configured it to give points to users when they complete the entire course. Users get 2 points when they complete the course. And also, you can see here under the Lesson Points tab, I'm also giving users points for completing some of the lessons in my course. So I'm not giving points for every lesson because that will be too many points, but I'm giving users points for just a couple of lessons. So this is one of the last lessons in module number 2, and this is the last lesson in module number 3. So when they are done with module number 3, they get a point. When they are almost done with module number 2, they get a point. And I have also set up animation. You can see here, I have also set up an animation that will show up when users unlock points. Now let me show you the user experience. So this is a lesson where users will get a point. So let me show you what happens here. They complete the quiz, and when they click on the Mark as Complete button, you can see the animation. And here you can see it says, congrats, you have unlocked 1 point by completing the lesson. So you can customize this message. You can change it to say whatever you want it to say. You can configure Game of Points to send you an email when someone unlocks a point. In fact, last year, I released a course from my lab site called Membership Site Launch Made Easy. That was the first course where I integrated Game of Points with dApp to award points to students for different activities. One of the things I did was I was giving points for testimonials. So at the end of the course, I ask users for a review or a testimonial, and they get points for leaving me a testimonial. And I was also giving users points for completing lessons in my course and for completing the course. I was using an integration between Game of Points and a LMS called WP Courseware because we didn't have a LMS in dApp at that time. But since then, we have added a full-fledged LMS feature in dApp. You no longer have to use a different plugin for your courses. You can do it all using just dApp. And now this integration between dApp and Game of Points, it just takes it to the next level. Recently, I added a reward center to my lab site, and I built it fully using the Game of Points plugin and dApp. So I'm going to show you how my reward center works, and I'm going to show you how I created my store, how I created different tabs in my store where users can see how many points they have earned, how many points they have spent, and the entire purchase history, and they can see all the content they have redeemed using points, how I created all of that using dApp and Game of Points. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes to show you step by step how you can create a reward center for your membership site, how you can create a store where users can redeem their points for different products and services. I'll also give you a full tour of the Game of Points plugin. And Game of Points has awesome reporting feature as well. You will find all the user details and how they earn points, how many total points they have, how many points they have spent. And you can see complete points history. If you want to see how they earn the points, you can click on Edit Earn Points, and it will show you the entire points history. For example, here you can see this user has earned points by sharing content on social and by completing a few lessons in my course. The way I have set this up is when they complete the last lesson in module number 2 and module number 3 of this course, I'm awarding a point. And users also earn a point when they register to this course. And they also get points for leaving me a review. They get 2 points for that. This user has already earned 6 points, and they can go and spend the points they have in the store. And once they spend it in the store, if you go to Store Points, here you will find all the details in terms of how they spent it, what product did they redeem using the points, and how much points they have spent. And view history will show you all the users and all the points they have earned for different actions. For example, registration points. You can see all of these users have earned a point by registering to my free course. Game of Points is a true game changer. If you are struggling to increase your website engagement and participation, if you can't get users to register, if you can't get users to come back to your membership site, if users start the course but do not complete the course, if you can't get users to share your content, Game of Points can help you with all of this. So be sure to watch all of the lessons in this module. I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how you can easily convert your website into a gamified site. And you don't have to do anything complicated. We're just going to do some simple things, just like what I have done in my lab, in my reward center, in my store. I'm going to show you how you can do similar things for your membership site, for your courses, for your products. And it will definitely help you increase your website engagement, increase your audience engagement, increase participation, and a whole lot more. So be sure to watch the rest of the lessons. I'll be back soon. Bye for now.